Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Candy brand washing machine and you're getting an E02 error. So what is this error and what can we do to get rid of it? So real simply, the E02 error is an error when the washing machine needs to fill up with water, needs to take on water in order to run, and it fails to get that water that it needs. So in order to get rid of this error, what we need to do is figure out why is the machine not getting water. And so what we're going to do is the first thing we want to do, real simple, is we're going to come in behind to where we turn the water on, to where the hose hooks up to the water supply. And we're just going to make sure that that valve is open all the way to the left, all the way counterclockwise. That we didn't just open it part way and the water's not really getting through. The next thing you want to check is from that valve, that hose that runs to the back of the machine and goes into the back of the machine, sometimes that hose can get pinched or bent or kinked or something like that, depending, especially like if you install the washing machine and you push it up against the wall too hard, it can kind of smush the hose or something like that, and then water can't get in. So we just want to make sure that that hose there's nothing like that, no kinks, bends, or anything that would prevent water from flowing. And the next thing, if that doesn't solve it, is just unhook the hose, and there's a screen filter that filters out debris in that hose, and just make sure there's no debris or anything like that that would be preventing water from flowing in there. If you're able to do all those things, you should be able to get water flowing into your machine and thus get rid of this E02 error. So anyways, I hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.